The environmental team plays a crucial role in ensuring that the Corps' projects and activities are carried out in an environmentally responsible and sustainable manner. Our primary objective is to evaluate the potential environmental impacts associated with projects related to water resources management, flood control, navigation, and ecosystem restoration, and identify ways to avoid, minimize, or mitigate those impacts. We analyze factors such as air and water quality, impacts to wildlife and their habitats, cultural resources, and socioeconomic considerations. Additionally, our team ensures that all Corps projects comply with relevant environmental laws, regulations, and policies, including the National Environmental Policy Act, Clean Water Act, Endangered Species Act, and others. Our team collaborates with engineers, planners, tribes, federal and state resource agencies, and stakeholders to integrate environmental considerations into project planning and design. Overall, the environmental team plays a vital role in integrating environmental considerations into the planning, design, and implementation of our projects. Our work aims to strike a balance between economic development and environmental protection, promoting sustainable practices and preserving natural resources for future generations.